Good day, traders. How we doing today? We're first gonna start off by going back to yesterday. There's something I saw and I couldn't see it. Oh, that's right. The chart moves the price moves so far. I won't be able to see it over here. It squishes the goddamn chart to shit, doesn't it? Yeah, there's no point. Fuck. It squished the chart already in today. Yeah. Yeah, it won't show it. Okay, let's look at this shit. I don't know about you, but in an uptrend that keeps going and going and going like it did today, it is very hard to buy. Because when you go to buy, you're buying at the fucking top, no matter where. If you say you wanted to get in here, you'd have to buy. And it came up all this way. So you wanted to get in here, you'd have to buy, and it's at the fucking top. And here it's at the top. And here it's at the top. You see what I'm saying? And then, there was divergence here and tried to sell in here, and then they take it back up again. Take it back up again. See right here? They fucking stopped here, and they're taking it back up again. It's very hard to trade in a forever trending fucking market, excuse my language. So anyway, there was a trade to get in down here at 9. It was before the open though. Okay, I got the hiccups now. It was right here. It's hidden divergence. I'm going to bought it in here, and the way it goes up. Somewhere in here. See, just goes up. And again, just goes up. Goes up, goes up, goes up all fucking day long. So I made a big 34 points today. That's it. And I made it fucking selling. Oh yeah, at first I made some buying. And then I did something, whatever, and I gave it back, and then I did some selling up here. And here I did some selling, and in here. But, like I've always told you, don't buy near the top, because it could be the end of the top and it could just fall down like 200 miles down, straight down in the fucking submarine. You know what I mean? That's why I always say, don't buy high. The old saying is buy low, sell high. That's it. So anyway, I sold in here because there was like a triple top. Right? Right. Which, and up here, it's just like that. Boom. There it is. And you would have got short, or I got short, right in here. That's it. That's the fucking trade up there. Am I gonna, look to buy up here? No fucking way. Because it's at the top of a run of hundreds, man. How much did it go? From 440 right up to 700 and whatever, 740. Yeah, 440 to 740. That's 300 fucking points. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? You know what I mean. I don't buy high. I call that a mistake. Even though, yes, I know some trades that could keep going up and you could, make money on it, for sure. But do you really feel good inside when you buy the fucking top or you sell the bottom? You don't feel good. I don't feel good inside. I feel like I fucked up and I bought the top. That's what I feel inside. That's why I hate doing the fucking trade. These kind of trades where it just trends up and trends up and trends up and up and up, fucking up. Jesus. Doesn't stop fucking going up. Okay. That's enough about that. I'm sorry. I had to get that out. I fucking just sat here. How long? Like, I've been sitting here since like 8 o'clock. And what time is it now? It's 11. That's 3 hours, man. For what? For nothing. For fucking nothing. Sat here all the time for nothing. They love doing this too. They know. Every manipulative move they make, it's to either stall you or make you run out of patience or or some other trick. They're always trying to trick you. Okay? Look at this, it's going to more new highs now. Look. I don't give a fuck. I ain't buying up there. I'm just not doing it. It's a mistake. You know what happens if I buy up there? Right where I fucking bought it, it goes down. And I buy the fucking top, man. That's why I won't do it. Or at least today. Some other times, I don't know. I trade really small and, take a little risk and see what happens. Sometimes it works. More often than not, it doesn't work. I buy the fucking top and it goes down. That's why it's not advisable to buy tops. Anyway, so here's the NASDAQ. Shit. And the double bottom's right there, like that. And this one like this. Like that. And we would have bought in here somewhere. Probably before that. Probably over here. We would have bought at 5 after 8. And up it went. See? Went up fucking 300 almost. Well, from the bottom, it's 300. See? 300. Right there. 305 points to the top. Or ticks, however you want to count them. Okay, so let's look at the S&P 500. Did we get a trade on this bitch? No. All that we got is lower close, buy it, up it goes. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. And that's it. I would have never done the next trades up there. Because it would have been buying near the top. See? So I wouldn't have done that trade. Okay, Dow Jones, man. Fucking Dow Jones. Here we go. Okay, double top. There we go. Fuck. Yeah, it was divergent. It went down like this. And you would have got in when the 5 crossed down below the 7. See that right here? Yes. So then you would have got in short somewhere in there. And if you did, your stop, goes right 1 tick higher than the highest swing high, closest swing high, right? So your stop would be where this green dotted line is. And look at how fucking close they came to your stop. Do you know how many people would have jumped out right there and then it went down, as you can see? They were short in here somewhere. And they took it up here and scared the living caca right out of them. And they jumped the fucking ship and they fucking went, whoa. And it went all the way down like they were hoping. Some traders do like 5, 10, 15, 20, depending what's on the chart. If there's a, an important level there. And there was at 440 right here. Right here, 440. But anyway, that would have been a scary trade to go down there. And oh, I'm getting tired now. I'm getting tired real quick today. I've been here for 3 hours and got jack shit. Fucking jack shit I got. Okay. Here's a fucking trade. Just like that. And you would have got long right there before the news if you were willing. You know, the CPI or whatever that was today, it created a rocket, Elon rocket ship. And it went up 112 points on the Dow Jones. And now let's look at pound dollar. 15-minute. Oh, she's looking a little ugly. Woo-wee. Yeah, there's a trade up here too. Well, that's the wrong time to trade. Right here. Lower lows. Doesn't line up perfectly, okay? We need this to come over. Well, let's see. Oh, it does. It does. It is perfect. Well, not perfect, but there it is. Boom and boom. Yeah, yeah. That's a trade. That's a winner. That's a motherfucking winner right there. Okay. Got long and it went up 16 pips. And if you waited, it went up this high. It went up 49 pips. That's pound dollar. Okay, let's look at euro dollar. Oh, okay. Well, we have a double bottom. And there to there. And you would have got long in here, and it went up 37 pips to the top. Yeah, pretty good. And we have also a hook up right here. We had it close, the sell fake, had it close below both moving averages. Then the next, the next one, it went up, it closed up above the 2 moving averages. You would have got long right in here, and boom, you would have took it. Yeah, it was good. Pound yen. Oh, it's looking weird and ugly today. How big is this? 200. Wow. There was a trade, but it involved whatever the news was, and you shouldn't be trading the news, so we're not going to look at that. Euro yen. Okay, so we have a high and a retracement and a higher high. And from this little mountain peak, it goes down like that. That is what you call divergent. Bearish divergence, and because this is pointing down on the OSMA, it means that the price is going to go down. And it did. And it went down 70 pips on the euro yen. That was a good trade. La-di-da. All right. Let's move on now to oil. Oh, oil not looking good. There's no divergence here to buy. There's no divergence up here to sell. No, there's nothing there. There's no trade on oil today. What about gold? Oh, back 5 minute. Okay. The trade that I see would be like in here somewhere. Well, we could draw it to here. Yeah, right there like that. That's where I'm going to draw it from. There's no crazy rule says that you can't draw it to wherever you want. As long as you draw it, I don't even know what I was going to say. All I know is divergent. Okay, it's divergent. That's all we need to know. and that. Oh, excuse me. Got the burps now. And that is oh again the entry point. Excuse me. 116 ticks or points it went up. Okay, that was gold. Yeah, and that was the oil, no trade. Okay, so that's it for all the markets that move, that most people trade. Most people trade, NASDAQ, oil, and gold. That's what most people trade because it moves. That's why they trade it. Anyway, so that's it for the markets that move. And then now we're going to look at Bitcoin, the cryptos. Oh, come back up, baby. Here we go. Woo. And how about XRP? It came back up too, didn't it? Oh, yeah, baby. It's breaking this here. Yes, 243. I tell you, man, just like 6 weeks ago, you'd go, oh, what market is that? That is an XRP. Where it just came back up 57 points or ticks or cents. I think it's cents. Yeah, 57 cents. And it dropped down like 80 cents. All this week this happened. We're looking at the 4 hour, that's this week. There's no way in hell the XRP would move like this. Yeah, we got some movement today. They're buying the dip. Yeah, you see 60 minutes. Brad Garlinghouse goes on fucking 60 minutes. He should have known better not to even go on there, but I guess he's not trying to hide from anything. He's fully transparent about XRP. So he went on that fucking show, 60 Minutes, and some asshole lawyer, don't know his name at the top of my head, he went and said all this negative bullshit about XRP because they don't like XRP. They don't like Bitcoin either. There's still people out there trying to kill the cryptos, and they ain't gonna do it because Don's coming in 2025, and we're gonna rock the world. We're gonna be the crypto capital, whatever country of the world. I'm talking about the USA, not Canada. I live in Canada, but anyway, I'm happy to see it coming back very strongly. XRP. Yes, indeed. Gotta love it. And Bitcoin too. Look at Bitcoin. It's just rallying right back up. I love it. Oh, I love it. Yes. Okay, so that's that, and that's that, and here's silver. Oh, silver's going right back up. Yeah, that's pretty good. And then we got Ethereum. Oh, did it ever do a big dip and it's come back almost half, a little better than halfway. Okay. And the yen, did it go up? Yeah, it's gone up too. Okay, cool. So, that's pretty much it for today. It was a shitty day to trade the NASDAQ. It'll probably start moving now, of course, that I'm finished trading. But anyway, if you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you really liked it, please, subscribe. And if you're going to trade this afternoon, be careful. There could be some wild moves now. Because that's what they seem to be doing lately, is doing shitty movement, during the time where it should move. And they do it later on in the day, like after 11 o'clock. So if you trade this afternoon, be careful. Could be wild. And good luck and good trading.